Okay, good morning guys. I'm hoping you're doing well, especially after the Easter weekend. This week's topic is going to be about rounding, so I'm gonna go a little bit over like a review. Remember guys, there was like several ways to do rounding. I remember the first time I did it, we didn't like it a lot. So I'm just gonna focus on 3-digit numbers right now. So I'm gonna focus on the number 347. Okay, so I'm gonna start rounding first to the nearest 100. I'm gonna start nearest 100, and that's about rounding to the hundredths place. So every time it says near 100, you're supposed to underline the digits place. So this is the 100, and that's the first step. And then once you see that, you check the next door neighbor, which happens to be the 4. You're gonna determine if the 4 is a strong number or a weak digit. So 4 let's stay the same. So this 3 is gonna stay like 300. Since 4 was in strong number, remember, digits 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 are considered to be weak. That's one of the strategies, because that's not enough to be rounded to the next number. The strong digits are 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are the strong digits, the ones that are able to round the number to the next digit. So as you can see, the one you were looking at is this 4. So this is the one you saw. But the digit 4 is part of the weak numbers, digits. Therefore, this one becomes 0 and 0. So 347 is rounded to the nearest 300. And now I'm going to prove it with a number line, because that's another strategy. So if I draw a number line, and remember, I'm rounding to the nearest 300. So right now, I need to start with the digit I have. So I have 300. The next 100, because I'm rounding to the hundreds, has to be 400. And that's just counting by hundreds. Clue that we always mention is the midpoint. So this is usually 300, 400, 350. This is where it becomes complicated, because half of 100 is 50. And you could put the tick marks, like this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Remember, I'm estimating 60, 70, 80, 90, and the next 100 will be 400. So 347, so I can label it. This will be 40, but you already know I'm in 300. So 340, 347 is closer here. So as you can see, it didn't reach the midpoint. So this number, even though it looks closer to 400, you can test it out. So I'm gonna label, like, let me see, would this store be closer? Like, let's say you're going to the store Walmart, 400, or are you going to the store that's closer by this one? Oh, I'm already there. So which one looks like it's a closer line segment? And it will be 300. And that's one way, and I'm gonna focus on another one. Okay, hopefully this makes sense. If you forgot, remember, these are your weak digits and these are your strong digits. So you can see 347, when it's rounded to the nearest 100, it's gonna be about 300. And I'm gonna continue part 2, but rounded to the nearest 10. Okay, part 1 is done.